Hi guys, you're welcome to Flockie's Den. My name is Flookie, and on this channel, I take you through my journey of immigration, tips and tricks about what to do for new immigrants who are looking forward to coming into Canada, and generally life around Saskatoon. If you're yet to subscribe, please click the subscribe button and join the growing train. And for those that are old subscribers, thank you for coming along with us again and again. It's Thanksgiving weekend and we have every reason to be thankful. It's been 2 years myself and my family has landed into Canada. So this October happened to be another month for us in this year that we're grateful for being in this new country and still discovering what it has to offer for us. It's also an anniversary month for myself and my husband, and it's also my husband's birthday this month. I also got a new job this month. So it's a wonderful month for my family. Well, that said, two things happened to me over the weekend. I broke, this earring. That's a bad one. I broke this earring. It just fell from my ear. And I wasn't happy about it because these earrings happen to be my go-to earrings. I wear them to work. I wear them casually. I wear them when I find nothing to wear. So it's like I'm going somewhere, I need to put on earrings, and I've put it up and I'm gone. So when it broke, I said to myself, what next? But well, I get to have something else to wear. But I'm grateful that I had to wear this. I had this for over 6 or 7 years. One of my friends gifted this to me in Nigeria, and I've always enjoyed wearing it. No wonder things fall apart. Another thing that happened to me over the weekend was that while trying to get Thanksgiving cooking ready, my mixer fell from the height because it was something that I usually don't use on a daily basis. So I put it up on my top shelf, and while I was getting it out to use, it fell and snapped. Thanksgiving brought additional expenses my way. I hope this year's Thanksgiving is something to remember for your family as well. It's 2021 and it's been so many things to be thankful about. You know, being alive despite this COVID that is happening around the world, it's one thing to be grateful about. So we have to celebrate this Thanksgiving. I want you to follow along with me. I'm going to be cooking so many things for Thanksgiving, and I want you to be able to duplicate same if you can in your household now or later. It's something that every family would obviously enjoy to eat in their homes. So I'll take you through the process of all the cooking and the final results. And I hope you like what I bring your way this year's Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving, guys. hope you guys had fun tasting all that I had to offer during the Thanksgiving weekend. And for as many that joined me in my house to have a bit or two of what I cooked, thank you for stopping by. And this is a wrap for today's video. See you again in another video. Bye.